Alright guys, welcome back to Fishing Gods 2.0. Today, we are fishing. It's about time we make a actual fishing video. There we go, first fish of the day. So all these fish are tiny. So we're gonna have fun catching these tiny fish. So let me get this guy off, then we'll get back to the video. Alright guys, got him off. Look at this guy, he's so tiny compared to me. So what I'm using, it's kind of hard to say, this classical waxes. Thought they were like 1%. That wouldn't be good. Alright, so let's get you guys set up, see if we can do that. So you guys can do that, guys. Alright, bigger fish. So yeah, for the rest of the video we're just gonna do all pictures. So yeah, just putting that out there.
So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Will Smith don't got a cuss in his raps to sell records. Well I do, so fuck him and fuck you too. You think I give a damn about a Grammy? Half of you critics can't even stomach me, let alone